Okay, let's unbox the new CMF Headphone Pro in dark gray. These headphones are equipped with a suite of premium features, including adaptive active noise cancellation, high-res audio certification with LDAC support, and extended battery performance. Peeling away the security tab and lifting the lid reveals an intriguing documentation guide right on top. We'll put that aside for now. In the box, you get the CMF Headphone Pro. Digging a little deeper, though, you'll find a nice carrying pouch, which is really great for tossing these headphones in when on the go or traveling. Also, just nice to see that this is included, and it's also nice for safe storage. There's also a CMF branded 3.5mm cable, however, the USB-C charging cable is noticeably absent. The headphones have clearly marked physical buttons. While their overall feel is decent, it is a step down in premium quality from the Nothing Headphone 1. A notable improvement, however, is the dedicated Bluetooth pairing button, which is far more prominent and easier to locate than the pair from Nothing. A new feature here is a new energy slider for toggling bass and treble on the fly. These headphones feel solid and well made for their price point, meeting but not exceeding expectations. Once the stickers are removed, each ear cup prominently displays the CMF branding. Now, the ear cups are not only comfortable but also fully removable. They detach easily and feature clear right and left indicators for simple reattachment for when you need to reattach the cuffs. For users interested in customization, CMF sells swappable replacements in green and orange for an additional $25 on their website. CMF claims that the materials are incredibly durable and resilient even with heavy use. That's a bold claim, and I plan to put that to the test over the long term, so make sure you subscribe for my full review to see how they hold up. The overall build quality is impressive. CMF has selected durable materials and assembled them in a final product that does feel robust and well constructed. Based on initial inspection, there are no apparent weaknesses that would raise concerns about long-term durability. While the more expensive Nothing Headphone 1 certainly feel more premium, especially its buttons, CMF has delivered a remarkably well-balanced set of headphones for the price. CMF claims an impressive 100-hour battery, but it's important to note that's achieved with ANC off and at 50% volume. On a positive note, my initial test shows that they do charge quite rapidly. While the provided 3.5mm audio cable functions as expected, it's worth noting that several third-party cables work as well, but I also used a 3.5mm to USB-C adapter that also worked quite well. My first impressions are mixed. While the CMF headphones have a less jarring connection alert than the Nothing Headphone 1, their cheap-feeling buttons are a letdown. More importantly, the energy slider seems like a gimmick. After extensive testing, I noticed no audio differences, and its function is already handled by the Nothing X app anyway. The CMF headphones are more comfortable for longer sessions especially, but let's talk about the number that really matters. These CMF headphones are currently $84 and come in 3 colors. Their premium sibling from Nothing is $299. Forget a price gap. That is a seismic shift in value. For a fraction of the cost, CMF is delivering a surprisingly competitive experience comparing to the suite of Nothing products specifically. So are they a Nothing killer for the price? Absolutely. But are they a market leader? That's a much more interesting question, and one I'll answer in my full review. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.